Hi, this is Michael, and this is my review of the Suunto M5. This model is the Black. Do not be confused. There are many different models of the M5. There's the Black, the All Black, and the All Black has an all black face with white numbers as opposed to this, which has the white face with the black numbers. It's technically not white, it's more of a silver gray, I guess you could say. But here's the box, just so you can see the whole package. And then it also comes in a silver black, comes with a gold. There's several different varieties. When you order this watch, you do need to make sure that you get the men's watch if you're a man. If you're a woman, you'll probably want to make sure the watch you order has the woman's strap, which does not look like this. It's distinctly different. It's not as wide, it's smooth, and it has a little embossed pattern on it. Inside the box, this is the move stick here. This is the USB device that will transmit the readings from the watch to your computer. And then you also get the chest strap here, which I'll talk about in a minute, and this is the sending unit that gets attached to the strap. And then you have the quick start guides in various languages here. And then there's also a little blurb here about movescount.com, their website where you can upload all your workout information to. So this is the chest strap here, and this is very interesting. It's actually very sophisticated. It's kind of a cloth, elasticized. I shouldn't say cloth, but it's a elasticized strap here, which you fit around your chest. And then these are the sensor pads. This is an extremely comfortable chest strap, and these are the sensor pads right here, very flexible, as you can see. And you attach the sending unit by clicking each side onto the strap. So this is a fairly sophisticated and I hope not trouble-prone system here. There's all these electrical contacts, and I kind of shudder when I think about, as the months and years go by, all the sweat and salt getting in here and what the implications of that might be. But it is a very, very comfortable chest strap, and once you get this all clicked in here and put it around your chest, you just place this right in underneath your pecs, right in the middle of your chest, and is very comfortable. So anyway, that's that. And then the watch itself, the men's band is quite a bit longer, the strap. So I have a 7-inch wrist, and this band fits me perfectly. I have a lot of leeway for tightening it. When you get the watch, you're going to take the little protective screen off. You're going to hold the button down for 2 seconds, and then that'll get you to the initial setup screen here, and I'm just going to walk you through this. So the first thing you're going to do is choose your language. This is basically 3 buttons. The center button here is what selects something, and then the bottom and top button lets you scroll through the options. So right now it's set to French. I want to get to English. There we go, English. Push the center button, and now it's going to ask me about units of measurement. So it's got imperial or metric. I'm going to choose imperial. Now it's going to ask me the current time. It's actually going to let me choose between 12-hour and a 24-hour clock. Well, I prefer the 12-hour clock, so I'm going to push 12 hours. And now I'm going to set the time, and there's the hours, and I've got to scroll up to 12:01. Now it's going to ask me the current date, so it's 2012, it's August, and it is the 16th. Now these are the personal settings, and this is where it could get depressing for you. You enter in your date of birth, you enter in your sex, you enter in your weight, and it also goes to the 1/10 of a pound with the weight, so no cheating. And then you enter in your height, and it immediately assesses you, and I'm overweight. It tells you your body mass index number and what your optimum number should be. So that's great to know that I am officially overweight according to the watch. Then you choose your fitness level, and you get to choose from excellent, very good, good, fair, or below average, or poor. I'm going to choose very good. because I bike 5 to 6 hours a week. And then it asks you if you're ready. And if you're ready, you push yes. And that is the display that you get just in the default position. So if you're ready to do a workout, you can go into the watch, and I'm not going to go through all the functions of the watch, but I did want you to see how nice and large the display is. I'm going to put the chest strap on, and I'll be right back so you can see the heart monitor function. Okay, this is the default watch face here. Notice we have the time, we have the day and the date, and then the seconds count down. When you want to begin an exercise program, you push the top button, and these are the various options that you can select from. Exercise, Web Connect, Fitness Test, History and Trend, Previous Exercise, Suggestion, and then back to exercise. So I'm going to push exercise, and it tells me, based on the information that I entered previously in my fitness level, which the watch has determined, it tells me that right now I need to do 40 minutes of exercise. And it tells me the heart rate. And then you'll notice that the screen just changed automatically here. You have to fill up all those arrows. As you're progressing, those arrows will fill up to show you how much time is remaining in your exercise period. That's my current heart rate right there. You can also cycle through the screen to get a different view. That would be the time, and that would give you your heart rate and your average heart rate. And that tells you how many calories you've burned, and then that is your heart rate with the time being displayed. And then that is your heart rate with your amount of exercise time. So you get a variety of different screens to look at, which I think is just fantastic. So I'm pushing the start button, and my exercise segment has begun. And right now I'm going to cycle through the screen one more time so you can see the various things. All in all, I think the watch is fantastic. It's comfortable. It's very lightweight. The chest strap is extremely comfortable, and I think the display is very easy to see in darker conditions as opposed to the other color display, which is very difficult to see in dimmer light situations. There's quite a bit of reflection on the screen, as you can see. But all in all, it's a pretty decent display. The watch is also water resistant, and I love it. I absolutely love this watch. I really like the fact that it gives you positive feedback, and it also automatically prompts you to, keep going. Every day it's going to suggest that you have to do so many minutes of exercise to meet your goals. So if you have any questions, leave me a comment. I'll answer it if I can. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I hope you found this review of the Suunto M5 helpful. Have a great day.